Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the power of landing pages in affiliate marketing. You might have heard about it before, but trust me, there is so much more to learn. 1. Introduction. Let's start with the basics. First things first, if you're new to affiliate marketing, a landing page is a standalone web page created for a specific marketing campaign. You might be wondering what makes a landing page so important in affiliate marketing. Well, the answer is everything. Have you ever clicked on an affiliate link just to land on a page that looked like a maze? Yes, that's a turnoff for most of us. In affiliate marketing, you've got just a couple of seconds to grab your audience's attention, and a solid landing page can help you do just that. 2. Strong first impression. Not only does a landing page help with grabbing your audience's attention, but it also helps create a strong first impression. Your landing page is basically the first point of interaction between your audience and your brand, and first impressions are crucial. A well-designed landing page can help you establish credibility and create a sense of trust with your audience. 3. Higher conversion rate. Another reason why landing pages are important in affiliate marketing is that they can lead to a higher conversion rate. You see, with a landing page, you can target a specific audience and customize your message accordingly. By addressing your audience's pain points and providing them with a solution, you increase the chances of them taking action and converting. 4. Better SEO. Believe it or not, having a good landing page can also improve your SEO efforts. Your landing page should be designed in a way that's both user-friendly and search engine-friendly. By doing so, you increase the chances of your page ranking higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This in turn can lead to more organic traffic and better visibility for your brand. And there you have it, guys, the power of landing pages in affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.